Hello mga Kapels TV, welcome back po sa ating channel. And for today's video ay aawitan ko po kayo ng isa pong awit na makalangit. Inspirational song entitled Never Say Goodbye by Heritage Singers. Ang awit pong ito ay mahalaga po sa akin dahil ito po ay patuloy ko pong kinakanta dahil sa kabutihan ng Panginoon na bagamat napakahirap po ng buhay ay patuloy po siyang umaalalay sa atin, kinakalingan niya tayo at sinusuplayan ng mga pangangailangan sa araw-araw. Sa hirap po ng buhay ngayon mga kaibigan at mga kapatid, ang dami pong nagkakasakit, nadidisgrasya, marami pong nagpapakamatay. Ngunit buhay pa rin po tayo, inalalayan po tayo ng Panginoon. Kaya naman awitan ko po kayo. Though I've never seen your face, I know you're always there, caring for me, lifting every sorrow that I bear. Every day the journey brings me closer to your side, and forever in your presence I'll abide. I know we'll never have to say goodbye. I know you're always there in every way. And though the journey takes me far and wide, I know we'll never say goodbye. Many pleasures come my way, but none can satisfy. Only in your presence I have found a full supply. Love and care you gave me all along life's way, and the promise that you brightens every day. I know we'll never have to say goodbye. I know you're always there in every way. And though the journey takes me far and wide, I know we'll never say goodbye. No, we'll never have to say goodbye. I know we're always there in every way. And though the journey takes me far and wide, I know we'll never say, I know we'll never, never say, I know we'll never say goodbye. Sana po ay na-bless tayo sa atin pong napakinggang kanta. God bless po sa ating lahat. Bye-bye.